Hi fighters, this is Travis Witherspoon with Carter Cow Capital. Thank you for clicking on this video, and hopefully I can be able to provide value for you. If you have not subscribed to the Carter Cow Trade Review page, please take the time and click in the link on the description below to be updated with technical analysis and potential ideas. It's been a great week for the community, and since we've started posting out ideas on the 12th of this month, we have sent out 10 different ideas and 9 of them have been profitable. How profitable has it been? For me alone, I was able to make 486 pips at this point. In this video, we'll discuss 3 of the trade ideas that were sent out and why they were high probability trades and profitable right after the intro. Before we get started with the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, I have a teaching/coaching background. One of the things that I do all the time is to find strategies that work with my students and replicate that same strategy over and over and over again because it's been proven over time to be successful. The New Zealand dollar Japanese yen has been in consolidation for the last few months in a range of 76.40 as resistance and 72.40 as support. And in April, the bears were able to break the resistance, and the bulls tried to drive up the price and tried to retest that 72.40 pivot level and then failed, making it past support, turn into future resistance. The reason why this is a high probability trade is because now that 72.40 is the new resistance, that means I can be able to place my stop just above that 72.40 area and be able to target a larger range and be able to make more in profit. In this case, the ratio between the stop loss to the actual take profit level was right around 1-3. Now let's put that in perspective. That means that I can be able to win only 3 trades out of 10 and still be able to make a profit if I was to take this trade 10 different times, which means that I can be able to increase my lot size on this trade, knowing that I'm still going to only risk the amount that I want fixed and be able to go after a larger target and be able to make more profit over time on trades within this ratio. Moving on, I'd like to talk about the Euro Yen. As you will notice, it has some similarities to the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. The Euro Yen bears have been pushing the price down and has been maintaining below this outer trend line. Last week, the bulls made a push to bring the price up to the 123.50 pivot level, which was past support, only to be rejected again and turn it into new resistance. With this push, the bulls ran out of momentum as shown in the indicators below and that gave me confidence that the high probability trade was towards the downside. I entered the trade at 122.07 and targeted the flash crash low of 119. With my stop right at 123.50 with the mindset that I would remain bearish down to the 110 level. I was able to capture 46 pips on this swing trade before my trail stop kicked in. Once again, this trade was a high probability trade because it was a 1 to 2.5 ratio, which meant that I was risking less to be able to potentially make more. The final pair that I would like to discuss is the Australian dollar versus the United States dollar. The Australian dollar has been waving down bears since November 2018 and has tested the 720 support level. In May, the bears were finally able to break that level, but for about 2 weeks, the bulls ended up gaining control to retest that 720 level, only to be rejected to turn it into new resistance, in which I use a precision point entry strategy to short the market at 69.64, first targeting the 68.17 level to the 65.50 level. My stop was placed above the 720 level to 740. I did not make all the 120 plus pip movement that it ended up waving down to because of news that was potentially affecting the United States dollar in order to protect profits. However, I was able to enter again at a lower time frame and end up getting a high price in the sell zone and end up getting in at 69.58 to capture another 31 pips. Overall, end up capturing 68 pips in total. Overall, it's been a good week of trading. It's even been a better month. I'm halfway to my personal goal of 1,000 pips this month. And I would like to be able to help you have the education to be able to learn the strategies to do the same thing that I'm doing. If you would, please go ahead and follow me at my social media sites. They're all at the bottom link in the description below. And if this video has gave you any type of value, please go ahead and smash that like button. I really would appreciate that. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.